If you're a Florida business owner who pays reemployment tax, it's possible that at some point you will receive a notification from the Florida Department of Revenue stating its intent to conduct a tax audit of your business. While the thought of being audited can seem intimidating at first, the department welcomes this opportunity to explain the audit process, what it means for you, and how to stay on track with Florida tax laws. After watching this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how reemployment tax audits work and what you can do to ensure that the process goes smoothly. Each year, about 1% of active Florida businesses are selected for reemployment tax audits. There are two main types of audits: desk audits and field audits. Desk audits happen at the department's office, and they're conducted mostly through paperwork and records you submit. Field audits take place at your business, where an auditor reviews your records on site. At the beginning of the audit process, you will receive a Notice of Intent to Audit Books and Records, Form RTFL06F, in the mail. This notice will tell you which year you're being audited for and the records the auditor will need. These records typically include documents such as payroll ledgers, federal tax forms like W-2s and 941s, balance sheets, income statements, time cards, and work orders. If your business keeps electronic records, you could be selected for an electronic audit. This means you'll submit your records digitally, and the auditor will use software to analyze your data. Whether you keep hard copy or electronic records, it's crucial to keep your records organized so it's easy to find what the auditor needs. Preparation is the key to making the audit process go smoothly. Here are some things you can do. Organize your records. Make sure all of the documents the auditor requests are easy to find. If you want someone else to speak for you during the audit, fill out a Florida Department of Revenue Power of Attorney and Declaration of Representative, Form DR-835. This allows your representative to discuss the audit with the department on your behalf. The auditor will want to understand how your business is set up and how your records are kept, so be ready to explain your accounting methods. Remember, auditors are there to help ensure that you're complying with Florida's tax laws, not to cause you trouble. Once the audit is completed, the auditor will review their findings with you and explain any proposed changes to your tax liability. If everything checks out and no changes are needed, you will get a letter confirming that your report was correct. However, if adjustments are required, you will receive a Notice of Intent to make audit changes, Form RTFL11F. This will explain why those changes are necessary, payment options, and protest opportunities. If you disagree with the audit results, don't panic. You have 30 days to respond to the notice. You can request a meeting with the auditor or their supervisor. If things can't be resolved by speaking with the auditor or their direct supervisor, you may request a meeting with the regional manager. Remember, keep your records organized, ask questions if you're unsure, and always respond on time to any notices you receive. By keeping your business compliant, you greatly reduce the chance of being assessed additional tax, penalties, or interest. More information about the reemployment tax audit process is available on the department's website. A brochure, What to Expect from a Florida Reemployment Tax Audit, can be downloaded at floridarevenue.com/whattoexpectrtaudit. In addition, tutorials and other educational resources on a variety of tax-related issues can be found at floridarevenue.com/taxes/education. A Florida reemployment tax audit might sound intimidating at first, but with the right preparation and knowledge, it can be a smooth process. The Department of Revenue is here to help you understand tax responsibilities and rights. If you're feeling unsure at any point, contact Taxpayer Services at 850-488-6800. The Florida Department of Revenue administers the state of Florida's general tax administration, property tax oversight, and child support programs. To learn more about the department, visit floridarevenue.com and find us on X, Facebook, and Instagram @Florida Revenue.